Cell Academy, Goa's best institute for IIT, JEE and medical exam preparations for class 8 to 12th. State topper for NEET, JEE, BITSAT 2024 are produced by Cell Academy. Admissions are now open for class 8 to 12th at our study centers in Margao, Vasco and Prudent. Book your seat today. Limited seats available.
7 एप्रिल सावन 6वी ते 10वी आनी 12वेच्यो क्लासी सुरू करपाच्या शिक्षण खात्याच्या निर्णयाक आव्हान दिवपी याचिका हायकोर्टान भायर मारली. 30 एप्रिल मेरेन 11:30 मेरेनूच क्लासी आसतल्यो म्हूण सरकारान कोर्टाक सांगला.
New academic year is supposed to start from the first week of or the second week of April, insofar as standard 6 to 12th is concerned, except standard 11 has been dismissed by the High Court today. All the contentions of the petitioners have been rejected. The arguments raised by the government has been accepted by the court. The basic argument that was raised by the petitioner was that there was haste in which these rules were notified. That argument has been rejected. The court has held that this was in public domain for long time. In the month of January itself, the circular was issued. There were debates which were held by the Education Department at the Taluka level with various stakeholders, including the teachers community, the parents community. That was all brought on record, and after a consensus and after scrutiny by the scrutiny committee or the screening committee, everything was threshed out, and ultimately this was the decision taken by the government in the interest of the student. Possible, and it is not as if it is going to be causing prejudice to the students. And the court has also noted that the schools, insofar as Goa government schools are concerned, they will close by 11:30. That is also noted by the court.
प्रुडंटा खातीर सिनियर रिपोर्टर मुकेश कुमार.